Hello everyone, this is Manoj from Corp IT, and in today's video we are going to look at 10 Linux commands that I personally use all the time and honestly can't live without. If you are a beginner trying to get comfortable with Linux or even an intermediate user looking to improve your workflow, these commands will save you a lot of time. So let's get started. First up is grep. This is probably one of the most used Linux command ever. Whenever you want to search for a word, pattern, error message, or configuration inside a file, grep is your best friend. You can also do case sensitive search using -i, and one real useful thing is extended grep using grep -E that allow you to search multiple pattern at once. This searches for either error or failed. Very useful while troubleshooting log. Next is fast fetch. This command gives you a clean overview of your system information, things like OS version, kernel, CPU, memory, cell, GPU information. This is especially useful when documenting system or showing your Linux setup. Then we have htop. Think of it as an upgrade version of classic top command. It gives you a real-time interactive view of CPU usage, memory usage, running process, and the best part is you can interact with it directly. You can search process, sort them, and even kill them without remembering complicated command. Next is AWK. At first, AWK may look scary, but once you understand it, it became insanely powerful. It mainly used for extracting column, parsing structured data, creating report. If you want to get into a shell scripting, you need to learn for loop. It helps automate repetitive repetitive tasks. You can use loop to process file, create directories, run command in bulk. This is where Linux automation really start becoming fun. Next is less. A lot of beginner use cat for everything, but when the file became huge, cat become painful. That where less helps. You can scroll, search, jump to a end, or navigate effectively. Especially useful when checking logs. Now this one is interesting, the yes command. I actually discover this accidentally while working on an automation task. I had written a script that needed to remove more than 500 tasks, but the script keep using for confirmation every single time. That means pressing yes more than 500 times manually, and obviously nobody want to do that. That's when I found this command, and it's completely simplify the process. The yes command continuously send yes as an input automatically. You can even provide a custom text, but be careful while using it, especially with the disruptive command. Next are head and tail. These are simple but incredibly useful command. Head show the beginning of the file and tail show the end of the file. One of the favorite usage of tail command is checking the live log by passing -f parameter in tail command. This let you monitor log live in the real time. Super useful troubleshooting service. Next we have find. Whenever you lose a file or need to search for a log, config or old file, find is the command you need. You can even search by size or age. Very powerful command. And finally, we have xarg. This command works beautifully with pipeline. It take input and convert it into command argument. This searches for error inside all the log file. Once you start combining command with xarg, Linux became extremely powerful. A few bonus command worth learning: sed, stream editing, cut, extract file, sort data, unique, remove duplicate, watch, rerun command periodically, tmux, terminal multiplexer. These are all superpower helpful in the daily Linux workflow. So yeah, these are 10 Linux commands that I personally use all the time and generally I can't live without. If you are learning Linux, try to practicing these commands daily. The more you use them, the more comfortable and productive you will become. If you have any such command that you use on a daily basis and that I did not cover, please let me know on the comment. That's all for this video. We'll see you in the next one. Till the time, peace.